Probably wondering how I got here. Let me explain, man. You're definitely thinking, why am I watching a video of a car backing out of a trailer? I don't know why. But you're still here. So that's all that matters. He can't drive.
Oh!
Go slow. Now, on a serious note, y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and let's get it.
I don't even know what to say. I ain't even listen to the radio. I don't even know if the radio working this thing.
Why don't you test it out?
I don't even care about no radio.
See the AC work?
Hey, do you think sometimes when you have a nice car, people be hating on, they be trying to act like they're gonna run into you and stuff?
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
I felt like that even when I got the Ram. Like, you just, I don't know.
You see how that lady didn't want us to be me following behind me right on? And she wasn't even trying to get over. She just got in front of me. Just split up the. This lady was being a weirdo. She got in front of me randomly on. I shouldn't even say the road. On the road and tried to cut me off.
We're in Mexico anyways right now.
And Mexico do look like Michigan.
I done heard people say they scared. They got in their car and they were scared. Can you imagine the ZR1?
Scared? Me. Man, I'm a race car driver. I don't get scared of cars. Professional NASCAR driver. You know what I'm saying? I got my license and everything somewhere from like 2006. Remember when we went to that NASCAR place and me and Jordan had a NASCAR license and stuff like that?
Oh yeah.
So I'm a professional, so I don't get scared of cars, you know what I'm saying? You can put me in a Demon, I'll be straight, you know what I'm saying? Put me in a 1,000 horsepower Corvette, I'll be fine. I can handle it because I'm a race car driver. That's just a trait that I've always had. I got trained by Eric Gordon when I was 2 years old. Huh? When I was 2 years old, I got trained by Eric Gordon. He was cool and all, but my real mentor passed away, Dale Earnhardt. Yeah. I love you, stop. Rest in peace, Dale Earnhardt, though. Do a pull for the YouTube one more time. That's nice. See, this is a Scat Pack driver and me just wants to hit the gas. I ain't gonna lie. Every Scat Pack driver, y'all know how we drive Scat Packs and Hellcats. You know, this is a Chevrolet, man.
No, this is a 650. It's a 650 horsepower, man.
Like that.
You like that. Look at that. 650, 650. Got the big old 335 rear tires in the back.
Man, I know the thumbnail says otherwise, but this is actually my pop's car. I had to get y'all. But while I have y'all here, I just want to take a second to congratulate my dad. There's not too many people that have the opportunity to have their parent in their life. It's their father figure especially.
I'm fortunate enough to have my dad in my life, which is a blessing. I watched my dad raise a family of 5, live paycheck to paycheck, and now to see him do things like he's able to do now, which is, you know, it's a blessing. Went from talking about certain stuff, talking about boats, driving Corvettes. You know, I got a sports car, he got a sports car. This is, I mean, I'm very fortunate, I'm very blessed to be in the position I am in life. So I just want to take a second, shout out my dad and his car. It's a big day. We didn't get that much on film today just because it was my dad's day, and I wanted him to just, you know, have that day to, you know, definitely enjoy the fruits of his labor, man. You work hard for years, 40 years, man. You work hard, you got a whole family, you finally got a car, you splurge on yourself. So it was his day, and I didn't want to take that away from him. So, but we will have more videos with the Vette. So I know y'all want to see. I don't know what he's gonna do to it because it is his car. I don't know if he's gonna do much to it, but we got some stuff coming. So dude's a true role model, and there's a reason I for real grind like I do. So and shout out to Pops, man, I love you. Other than that, I really ain't got much more to show in this video. Hope y'all enjoy what I did have from the delivery of the Corvette. Expect more stuff in the future, and y'all be safe. Y'all have a wonderful holiday. I'm gonna enjoy mine with my family. See y'all in the next video, man. Bye.